So I'll trust in you with all my heart, even when it don't make sense. I'll stop leaning on what I know and follow it.